is up guys, it is Mr. here from Galactic Music Extreme. Welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video, I'm doing one that's been requested, so I'm going to just give a quick shout out to Norieli Manahan, and I do apologise if I said that name wrong. But I'll give a shout out to Norieli Manahan because they requested this video, so I'm going to do that video for you. So in today's video, which was requested, I'm going to be doing the organ sounds on my piano. Now, there are quite a few of them, so if I just show you quickly on the camera, here we are. Organ, apologies for my positioning. It's numbers 43 to 64, so there are quite a few to get through, so I'm going to get right into the video and we'll leave you guys waiting no longer. So if you type in 043, the first one is the DRWB organ. Now guys, please put this down in the comments if you know what this means, because I don't really know. So that's the first sound. You can't really do chords on this one, so I'll just have to show you a demonstration now. So that's the first organ sound. Now if you don't need the sustain pedal for this, you can use it if you want to. And the note goes on for ages, sorry about that. But if you hold down on the note, it holds. So that's the first organ sound. Let's go 44, that's the second version of that organ. So that's the next organ. They sound pretty similar, but not quite the same. Now you can do chords actually. So if I did all of me chords, I'll have to do it without sustaining. Now it doesn't sound very nice to hear in chords, but that's the second organ. Now the third is 45, so that's the perk organ. Apologies again for pronouncing that wrong if I have. Now this one's louder. So that's the first one of the perk organ. I do apologise for saying it wrong. That's the perk organ. So that's number 45 for those of you who don't know. Now we'll go to 46. We get perk organ 2. Now this is BTS All of Me you're hearing in the background. Not All of Me, BTS Best of Me you're hearing in the background while I play. And I will be doing a separate video of me playing my version of that song. Because these, ouch. was just experimenting. But I will do that in another video for Best of Me by BTS. It will sound different because I did it myself. But that's for another video. That's 46. If you're getting this model, which I will just mention, and I'll put it down in the comments as well for those of you who are interested in it. It's the Casio CTK 3500 digital piano. With touch response, and also it has a free app you download that allows you to have free lessons if you need them. So that's, it sounds a bit like a xylophone mixed with an organ. Now in terms of this record, now the chords for that one don't sound too bad, because yeah, that's included in one of my songs, by the way. I have posted that, so those of you who do want to look up, do want to listen to my song inspired by all of me, please check out my channel. It's on, you'll find it on there as well. There's other videos. Anyway, let's go to 47. Electric organ. Now this one. Sorry, that's on full bass as well, guys. That sounds quite interesting. So I'm presuming if it's an electric one. I'm not too sure. That's the first electric organ. So apologies, I was holding down on sustain. If we go on to 048, then we have the second electric organ. That sounds like an electric guitar. As a reminder, if any of you guys have sensitive hearing, this will hurt your ears, if you have it on full blast. I'll turn it down a bit. No. So that's electric organ 2. Apologies if I'm going a bit too quick. That's number 48. Now, if we go to 049, we have the jazz organ. I like the sound of that one, so let's give this one a go. Again, an interesting one. Apologies for the, I don't know, I will explain about this, but yeah. So that's the jazz organ number 1. So 050 or number 50 is jazz organ 2. I've gone tongue tied. This sounds quite weird. Sounds like when you get at a wedding. or horror story. So we have another 14 to go through, so apologies if I'm going through it a bit quick. I will put I think I will put down the names of all of the organs in the comments, or if you guys don't quite hear certain bits, you can skip back on there. So if we go to 51, rock organ. Not too sure what to say about this one. There is a second rock organ, so shall we have a listen to this one? 052, rock organ 2. So as you guys can probably tell, because you guys, some of you, wow, that is loud. Hang on a second. Full DRWB, sorry. Please again put that in the comments, because I'm not too sure what that stands for. I'm not really much of a professional with organs, because I'm good with piano, so that's what that one sounds like. 54 is the click organ. Quite gentle. Good chords. So that's what the click organ sounds like. Now 55 is the 8 organ. But I'm not sure what that symbol is. I'm going to show you guys on camera. There. That's what this one is. 8 organ. I'll tell you what, rather than put in the comments, I think I will just quickly show you guys at the end of this video what they all look like displayed on the screen. And 56 is the church organ. Ah, that sounds like a church organ, alright. So if I did all of me, little. That's the church organ. That's the first church organ. So 57 is church organ 2. Now I'll have to turn this one down a bit. That's church organ 2. It just says church 2, but again I'll just show you that at the end. 58 is the chap 1 organ, sorry. Okay, apologies I keep turning this down, I do have sensitive hearing. So the second one, that's what it sounds like individually, for those of you who aren't sure. Now this is a theatre organ. This should be interesting. That's what it sounds like on here. So now we are going to the last 4. This is the reed organ. Sorry guys, I'm having to press quite hard on the keys to show you. Now with this one, I like how that one goes quite quiet at the end. The sound dies down a little. So now it's number 61 is an accordion. Okay, 1 second. Apparently it's in organ, so I guess we'll include it. Now, for those of you guys who have heard an accordion, this sound will be quite familiar. So let's go to 62. Whoops. 62 is a band neon. I'm not sure if this is even part of organ, but it says it is. Apparently it is. So. Sounds like a boat. Sorry guys, I'm being a bit stupid. So that's what the band neon sounds like. So let's go. 63 is a come on. Oh, it's harmonica now. So and I'm sure most of you guys have heard of a harmonica. This is harmonica 1. So the final one is harmonica 2. Now I do apologise, this is quite quiet. Okay, so that's all the organ sounds. So just to show you what they all displayed like on screen, and I'm sorry if in the video at any point this goes sideways, this usually happens. Let's just go backwards. So that's harmonica 2. No, let's just start from 43. 43 looks like this. Please pause the video if you need to. 44 is draw organ 2. 45 is perch organ even. 46, I've already just typed that in. No, that's perch organ 2. 47 is electric organ 1. 48 organ 2. Then there's jazz organ. Jazz organ 2. Rock organ 1. Like I've said guys, please be sure to pause the video if you need to. 52. Rock organ 2. 53 is full. There we go. I don't know how you say that, but please put in the comments what you think, because I'm not too sure. Click organ. There's the strange one I can't really understand. 8 organ. Church 1. Oops, sorry guys. Church 2. My arm's decided to lean on the keys now. That's 57. So 5, 8 is the chap 1. I keep saying clap for some reason. Chap 1 organ. 059 is the theatre organ. 60, there we go, 61. So we don't need to show that, it's accordion. 60 is reed organ. 62 is the band neon. 63 is the harmonica 1. And finally 64 is harmonica 2. So that's all of the organs, all of the organ sounds on my piano. So a thank you and a big shout out again to Norielli Manahan for requesting this video. I really do appreciate it. And please do keep sending in more requests, guys, because I will take them. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment below telling me what you thought. I will listen to your feedback. And also be sure to turn your notifications on to be notified when I'm uploading my next videos. So thanks for watching.